Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special because after a very long time, Theta is wake up and go in the moon. Let's see, my friends, to what's going on in the future. Can they will give you a profit or not? Can they fail us down or they wake up again and they go on the moon, my brother? Let's see. We are all going the moon because, my brother, Theta Network is starting change occur positive. So it's a very good news for all of you, my brother. As you can see at this time, my brothers, Theta Network from last 3 months change occur. You can see here especially. Absolutely, they continuously moving upward. But this last 2 months, my friends, they completely fell us down. As you can see here, after April 28, you can see here May 31, they fell us down. So it's 1 month, my friend, and absolutely the main reason is that to this fell us down. The main reason is that you can see this time the 2 months fell us down continuously. So the main reason is that to especially short-term investor, they are starting selling, and long-term investor also selling, and those days. So therefore they are totally continuously, my friends, 2 months falls down. But don't remember, my brothers, please don't see this short fail. I hope of coming times that it will take a very huge jump, because after a fail, every cryptocurrencies take a very huge jump. So I hope, my friends, after these fails, they also take a very huge jump. You need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope, my brothers, Theta Network will go in the moon and they will give you very good profit now. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.